Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 8.4-inch screen from CCFL to our UB35 series LED kits. This LED kit comes one LED strips, one driver, and one 6-pin tail with red and black. So let's set aside LED kit for a second and take a look at the screen. This is made by SHARP. It is LQ9D168K. It's 8.4-inch display. As you can see, the backlight was mounted vertically. This is much older screens. Mounted vertically, we're gonna by removing these three tiny screws. One, two, three. Okay, so we're gonna remove that. Those are really tiny flathead Phillips screws. So we're gonna remove it, take it out. Okay. Then we can see the lamps here. 1, 2. So the plastic must be tilted up like this way. Okay, so let me see. You see this click is here. So we should push up like this. See that? Just like this. Take it out. Okay. Okay. So now you can see the lamps. The lamp is actually covered by this lights, this sheets, special sheets. Okay, so we're gonna remove the lamp out carefully. Just take it out. Okay, take out. So make sure it's clean inside. So what we do, here's our LED kit. We're gonna put it like this way. The wire come up from this. The original one, the wire come up this way. Same thing, same way. You see this? Just push. Put it here, just like that. If you want to, like, I'm gonna add a piece of tape to it. Okay, then would be just try to secure. You can put a tape or you don't. Then we just put this, but this wire, make sure it comes back like this. I need the flathead screwdriver. Just put it back the same location. See, like this. Yeah. Just trace right back. I show you after I finish. You see this? So we just want to put it back the back covers. I mean not the back cover, the cover slides right back. Then put the screw back. Alright, 2 more screws. Like I said, if you want to, you can put a tape on it, but that's it, it's done. So this end connect to here, either one. So on this end, you just connect to positive 12 or 24 volt. This is a negative ground. See how easy it is? Less than 10 minutes. That's it. Thank you for watching.